Hey everybody, welcome back to My Physical World, and this is your first channel update for 2024. Happy New Year everybody. I hope you guys all had a safe holiday season, Christmas and New Year's and all that kind of stuff. I hope everybody was kind and generous to others, which we should be every single day. But anyway, this is like I said, your first 2024 channel update. We'll talk about some things that are going to be coming on, at least in the first part of 2024, until my next update, I guess. I have a diverse audience. I have primarily Microsoft Flight Simulator scenery creation. And I have science videos, physical science on how the earth works and things like that. I also do oil painting, landscapes, and aviation themed. Okay, so I have that kind of an audience. And also starting some 3D printing tutorials and things like that. But primarily it's going to be flight simulator related and oil painting. So let's talk about what's going to be coming up. I'm going to be going back to a lot of my old scenery videos, and I'm going to be moving those to just kind of like archive playlists. But I'm going to start redoing some of the older videos and try to organize that better for those people that are coming aboard Flight Simulator and for scenery creation using the SDK, and get those a little bit more organized, that kind of stuff, and updated menu systems, and we'll probably take a new look at the XML structures for projects and things like that. So I have that coming up. Also, I am going to I'm going to use the word loosely, but I'm going to start probably critiquing other sceneries, that kind of stuff. Trust me, I'm not going to be mean or anything like that. I'm just going to, and if you guys know me, I use most of my resources that I use for scenery creation are free. I am a huge advocate of open source. I'm not going to be doing reviews or anything like that on payware. Okay, I just don't want to do that. But I want to help those that are out there creating free content that you can download for free on flightsim.to. I'm just going to start what should I say? Showcasing other people's work. That's a better word. I'm not going to be critiquing. I'm just going to randomly select places that I fly to and scenery that I download, and kind of, like I said, showcase. I'm going to show other people's scenery. I'm going to give bragging for those people. I'm going to try to promote other developers, and I'm going to concentrate on developers that do it for free, okay? Because that market is vastly underrated, because I think we have some of the best scenery developers in the free world than we do in the pay world, okay? I honestly believe that. And they don't get the kudos that they really need. So you're going to see some scenery showcases, and I'm just going to start randomly selecting those people that put their stuff up for free, and kind of give you a look-see at other people's work. All right, I have a lot of work on mine. I'm areographer on flightsim.to. All of my stuff is always free. I don't charge. Yes, I do accept donations, which I think every developer should, and we should also contribute to those guys. I mean, it's a hobby, and it just kind of gives them some love, so to speak. All right, if you understand what I'm saying. But like I said, I am a free developer, so people can enjoy this hobby. So like I said, I'm going to repeat myself again. I'm going to start showcasing other people's scenery. All right. Yeah, I'm going to continue on my tutorial path, mainly redoing older stuff. We have we have Flight Simulator 2024 coming out. Most likely it will be August, if I think that's right. I don't think they're going to push it out too fast, but we're going to be looking at August, and we got to get ready. We got to make sure get our scenery stuff ready for that. It should not be a terrible migration from 2020 to 2024, but we will see. Okay. For those people that come to this channel for science, those videos are a little bit more difficult to make because those I edit. If you guys know my scenery software, I do no editing whatsoever. I turn on the video camera and OBS and I go, and you guys get all stutters and speech impediments and errors and stuff, because I want to show you how it is in the real world, okay? Because when we get on and start doing our scenery creation, we screw up all the time, and I want to basically show you how to get yourself out of those situations if that happens. I'm going to pause for a second while I cough. So, yeah, hopefully stay tuned for those. But my science videos, I got to edit. Because I want to make sure I get the content right. But we're going to be talking about tornadoes, earthquakes, all the different natural hazards that are going on around the world, teach you how those work, how those happen, so you can actually have enough information to give pause to those people that are out there misinformation on natural disasters that are happening around the world, and show you how the earth really runs. That's what my education, that's what my master's degree is physical science and cartography. Okay, I've been doing it for 40 years. Storm chasing. I've taught classes at university, meteorology, physical geography, physical science, that kind of stuff. And people just don't understand how the world how the physical earth operates. And so the better information, and I do it in layman's terms, okay? I'm not like Veritasium and all them kind of guys, and Scott Manley with the space stuff. I'm not that technical, okay? If you guys are familiar with my scenery videos, a lot of you guys like my format. I think it's kind of boring, but some of you guys seem to like that more in-depth, detailed, slower pace kind of stuff, layman's terms, that kind of stuff. That's how I treat physical science, because for most of us, we want it nice and simple so we can understand it. So you got some of those science videos coming up in 2024. A new part of my video channel, my physical world, is oil painting. Okay, I've only been painting since January of 2023. Okay, so a lot of my oil paintings, you can try to figure out which hand am I using. There we go. On my easel here, I got some landscape going. If you look way back in the back here, I got some SpaceX paintings that I've done. So I do a lot of aviation paintings, but mainly landscape. So I'm going to be doing some landscape, probably more fast-paced type of videos where you can just kind of see some paintings. I'm not qualified to teach you how to paint. Okay, I'm still learning from my so-called online professor, and I think he's probably one of the best painters I've ever seen. Michael J. Smith, just a shout out to him. If I know he doesn't watch this stuff, but anyway, I'm going to be doing some art videos, that kind of stuff, and I really want to do some aviation videos so you can see how I paint my aviation stuff. I'll give you an example, and for an example, like this F-35, it's done in acrylics. This one happens to be a 11 by 14, I think, something like that. But anyway, this one's an acrylic. And all of my aviation paintings, well, all of my paintings are for sale, but that's not what this video is. These videos are for. They're just kind of for some enjoyment. So we got a wide variety for 2024. I have been doing the Bag of Pie video series on different tools that you can use for making your Microsoft Flight Simulator scenery. But I think I need to concentrate and go back to some of my older videos and redo that with some new stuff. Back to the painting. We're going to do some oil painting and things like that. Science videos. Anyway, so we got hopefully an exciting 2024. Also, I'm still working out the technical part of it, but I am in northern Ohio here in the United States, and on April 8th, the total solar eclipse goes right over top of my house. We are ground zero here in Ohio. So I'm working on the technical aspects of that, but I think I'm going to be live streaming the total eclipse as it goes over, so to speak, goes over. It's not really going over, but the shadow passes right over our house. But that is also going to be tentative because, like I said, I live in northern Ohio, and we're lucky to see the sky in April. Okay, so I think a lot of people are going to flock to this part of the country to see the total solar eclipse, but I think I might be a pessimist, but I think it's going to be almost a total failure other than it getting extremely dark. Okay, I'm hoping that we'll have clear skies. In 2023 on April 8th, we had a beautiful cloudless day. Well, we got it probably on the wrong year. 2024 would be great, but I'm gonna, as we get closer to that time, I'm gonna be working on some technical things to be able to video that and live stream that if I can. Okay, no promises, but we're gonna be working on that. So, hey, if you guys haven't subscribed to My Physical World, I really would appreciate it. On my videos, please hit the notification and the notification bell for upcoming videos. I'm going to try to put something for everybody on the different audiences that I have. And I thank you for your patience, really, because I know a lot of you come here for the Microsoft Flight Simulator stuff, and a lot of you guys still watch all my other stuff too, and I really appreciate that. For you artists that join me, there's art involved in scenery design, and I really encourage you guys to watch that kind of stuff as well. And I think almost everybody likes science, and I hope I can bring that into a nice layman's terms for everybody to understand. I look forward to seeing you in the rest of 2024. I hope, like I said, I hope you had a great holiday. If you guys feel inclined to support what I do on this channel, I welcome you to buymeacoffee.com/myphysicalworld. I don't use that money extravagantly. Is that a word? I don't know. I try to put it all back into doing this. Okay. Hey, I will see you guys on the next video, and you guys have an awesome 2024. We'll see you guys later.